Found out the AC is as old as your grandpa's jokes. Use a fan. Hey there, future homeowner. Let's talk about the wide world of physical inspections in real estate. Imagine you're in a first date with a house. Sounds weird, right? Okay, well, that's basically what a physical inspection is. This brave soul goes where no buyer has gone before, crawling through every corner of the house, battling spider webs in every way, and risking life and limb to check out suspicious looking roofs. All to save you from the heartbreak of discovering your new love has a leaky pipes problem or an electrical connection issues. For example, the usual bypass. But wait, there is more. This inspection isn't just about avoiding a money pit. It's your golden ticket to haggle like a pro. Found out the AC is as old as your grandpa's jokes? Use a fan. Time to knock a few zeros off that price tag, baby. So remember, folks, before you put a ring on that property, let a pro give it a once over. Leave the real estate guru who can make your house hunting feel like a less horror movie and more like a comedy. Look no further. Trust landproperty.ng, your friendly neighborhood property matchmaker in Lagos. I promise to find you a home and won't need exorcism. My name is Adoni. Kindly like, follow, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you later.